Yesterday, the selfie camera of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge got revealed to be using the S5K3LU sensor with 1/3.2 type size. Today, the same source is back with confirmations of the main camera as well as the ultrawide, and thus the phone's full camera package has now been outed, since it doesn't have a telephoto. The main camera is unsurprisingly, since it was rumored a lot, the same 200 MP unit used on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with a 1/1.3 type sensor. The ultrawide is 12 MP and uses a 1/2.55 type sensor, which means it will be identical to the ultrawide found in the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. So, unfortunately, the S25 Ultra's 50 MP ultrawide will be exclusive to that model for the time being. The 200 MP main camera should provide very good 2x zoom shots, as evidenced in our review of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which will slightly compensate for the lack of a proper telephoto. Then again, you're probably buying the S25 Edge for how thin it is, and not necessarily for its camera prowess, right? And compared to the iPhone 17 Air, at least it has an ultra-wide as well. According to the most recent rumor on the matter, the Galaxy S25 Edge will be announced on May 13th and released on May 23rd in Korea and China. Then, on May 30th, it will also make its way to other markets including the US.